value that I think is probably most important for me is free movement, mobility, liberty, and EU citizenship. But I also feel like there's room for improvement, particularly in terms of informing people. I believe not enough people know that they can exercise these freedoms, and they end up not wanting to travel, they end up studying abroad, paying higher fees, and missing out in general. I think the next step EU member states should take is to collectively introduce campaigns in schools and workplaces so that people know their rights and actually make use of them.
Today, we will be discussing a topic that really matters to us.
Solidarity!
For us, solidarity means helping each other, especially in difficult times.
At the citizen level, this can be simple actions, like helping neighbors, welcoming others, or supporting people in need.
At the regional and national level, solidarity means reducing inequalities, investing in less developed areas, and ensuring equal opportunities for everyone.
At the European Union level, it means stronger cooperation between countries.
Because together we are stronger! And solidarity is what makes Europe a true community!
The EU value I chose is human dignity. Human dignity means that every person should be treated with respect simply because they are human, no matter where they are from or what situation they are in. At the level of citizens, it means treating each other with respect in daily life, not jumping to judge people based on their background or difference, even when it feels easy to do so. At the level of the European Union, human dignity should guide all policies, especially in areas like migration, justice, and human rights protection. To me, this value matters because it reminds us that behind every policy or debate, there is a real human life.
Non-discrimination is a core value of the European Union. It means that everyone, no matter their background, deserves equal respect and opportunities. At the national level, governments need to protect and enforce strong equality laws and protect vulnerable groups. And finally, at the EU level, the Union must ensure common standards, monitor discrimination, and support inclusive policies. Only by acting together can Europe remain a space of equality, diversity, and dignity for all.
One of the EU's founding values isn't just written in a treaty. It's meant to be lived every day, and that value is solidarity. The idea that we rise and fall together across borders, generations, and communities. At a citizen level, this means choosing local and fair trade products, welcoming newcomers into your community, or simply volunteering. These acts are small, but can have a real impact.
Une valeur que je trouve très importante au sein de l'Union européenne est l'état de droit. En effet, je trouve que dans une organisation composée d'États démocratiques, la loi doit s'appliquer à tous, même au gouvernement, et la justice doit rester indépendante. C'est cet état de droit même qui va garantir le fonctionnement de la démocratie et de l'Union européenne en tout. Les citoyens doivent se faire entendre, doivent participer à des manifestations, signer des pétitions ou aux élections, voter pour les candidats qui s'opposent à ce non-respect de l'état de droit et au non-respect des institutions et de la loi.
We tend to see democracy like it's a museum piece, something static behind glass.
In the European Union, democracy isn't a relic. It's our foundation and the shared belief that power only works when it flows from the bottom up.
Exactly, it's more than just a vote every few years. It's a core value that says every voice, no matter where it comes from, actually carries weight. So, how do we make it real? We start where people live. The EU should double down on citizens' assemblies. Let's give local regions the tool to create policy, not just follow it.
I agree. Regions are the laboratories of democracy. The EU can implement this by strengthening the Committee of the Regions, ensuring that when a law is made in Strasbourg, it counts for the unique needs of a farmer in Poland or at a tech startup.
For the EU itself, let's make the European Parliament more visible.
Right, we need direct digital platforms where any citizen can propose a digital initiative that actually lands on the commissioner's desk. No middlemen, just direct participation. Democracy isn't a gift given by the EU, it's a responsibility we exercise together.
At the local level and at the national level. Our values, our voice, our Europe.